Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the top 5 places to visit in Heidelberg, also called the most beautiful city in Germany. The first place to visit is the Heidelberg Castle, which is a ruin in southern Germany and landmark of the city of Heidelberg. The construction of the castle was done at the start of the 12th century. The castle is located 80 meters up the hillside and offers spectacular views of the Old Town and the Neckar River. You can get to the castle either by taking the funicular railway from the Heidelberg's Old Town to the summit of the hillside, or simply by just driving up the hill. Next stop is the Hauptstrasse, or Main Street in English, which is the central street of Heidelberg's Old Town and is about 1.8 kilometers long. Today the street is a pedestrianized zone and a popular shopping street. Before the street was pedestrianized in 1978, it was used by horse-drawn trams and cars. You can find plenty of cozy cafes and restaurants along the street selling local treats. The next attraction is the University Square, which is an open square in Heidelberg's Old Town. The old university building is located in the north side of the square, which was built between 1712 and 1735. This square also houses the annual Christmas market in Heidelberg. Next is the Church of the Holy Spirit, which is the largest church in Heidelberg. The church, located in the marketplace in the Old Town Center, was constructed during the 14th century. It receives an incredible 3 million guests annually, making it among the most visited churches in Germany. The last one is the Old Bridge, which is an arch bridge in Heidelberg that crosses the Neckar River. The bridge, which was opened in 1788, connects the Old Town to the other part of Heidelberg on the opposite bank. From the bridge you can get great views of the Neckar River and also the Heidelberg Castle that lies on the hillside. You can watch the full walking tour of the city of Heidelberg by clicking on the top right hand corner of your screen. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it in order to support the YouTube algorithm. Till next time, bye bye.